Did you know that you can copy a YouTube video from a specific time? And if you didn't know that, I'm going to show you step by step how easy to do this. Now, as you can see here, guys, I'm on YouTube on my channel, and I'm going to quickly choose a random video. Let's take this one here.
Still too lazy to learn AI? Watch others get.
And once this ad is over, I'm going to quickly skip this. No, as you can see here, guys, I'm on my YouTube video, and let's say I want to copy this video from the 20th second. Let's say that's what I want, right? So I'm going to find the 20th second here in the video, guys, right here. And all you have to do, guys, you can go ahead and you can pause the video if you so desire, find the 20th second, and all you have to do is just simple right click on the video, and you have the option that says copy video URL at current time. So once you copy this, guys, and you have this YouTube link, you will be able to watch this video from the current time. And to prove this to you, I'm going to go ahead and open up a different YouTube account. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to quickly go ahead and paste this YouTube video link in YouTube. And as you can see, once I paste the link here, it even shows that it says equal 20. And that simply means that the video will start to play from the 20th second. So if I go ahead and enter here, this video will start to play from the 20th second, as you can see there. So the video literally start at 20 second, and that's it. So guys, if you're looking for a way how to copy videos from a specific time in a video, that's how you can go ahead and copy the URL for a specific video on YouTube. Very easy and very simple.